Good morning, students. My name is Muralidhar B.S., Social Science teacher, BLR High School, Sirigay. We are going to discuss geography, part of social science of 10th standard. Topic is India, position and extent. In this lesson, we will understand the location of India in Asia and the world, the neighboring countries of India and extent, the frontiers of India and administrative divisions of India. Let us know location of India. Geographically, India is situated within northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. India is a peninsula which is located in Southeast Asia. Let us know more detail about these points through globe. Students, look at this. This is globe. What is globe? Globe is the model of Earth. Through globe, we can understand continents, water bodies, distance from one place to another place, time zones, etc. by latitudes and longitudes. This is called 0 degree latitude. It is called equator. Upper part of equator is called northern hemisphere. Lower part of equator is called southern hemisphere. Yes, look at this. This is 0 degree longitude. It is called prime meridian. East side of 0 degree longitude is called eastern hemisphere. West side of this 0 degree longitude is called western hemisphere. Hence, geographically, India is located within both northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. India is a peninsula which is situated in Southeast Asia. What is peninsula? Peninsula means India has 3 sides of water, 1 side land. Yes, now let us understand latitudinal and longitudinal position of India. The mainland of India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude. Further, the mainland of India extends from 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Andaman Nicobar Islands further towards extend southwards and add its India's latitudinal position. The southernmost point of India is called Indira Point, which is in Nicobar Island at 6 degree 45 minutes north latitude. Northern tip of India is called Indira Pole, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north latitude, passes middle of our country. The central meridian of India, 82.5 degree east longitude, passes through near Allahabad, which is considered central meridian of India or prime meridian of India. Our Indian standard time is based on this longitude. Yes, let us know more details about these points through map. Yes, latitudinal and longitudinal position of India. India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. Then longitude 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. This is called longitudinal position and this is called latitudinal position of India. Then southernmost point of India is called Indira Point, which is located in Nicobar Island at 6 degree 45 minutes. Then this is called northern tip of India, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. 23.5 degree north latitude is called Tropic of Cancer, which is passes through middle part of India. 82.5 degree north longitude passes near Allahabad. This is called central meridian or prime meridian of India. Our Indian standard time is based on this longitude. Next, let us know about extent of India. India is 7th largest country in the world after Russia, Canada, China, United States of America, Brazil, Australia, etc. India occupies 2.42% of world's total area. The total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. Once again, dear students, the total area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometer. Then east to west extent of India is 2,933 kilometer. North to south extent of India is 3,214 kilometers. Now let us understand frontiers of India. India has both land and water frontiers. The land frontiers of India is about 15,200 kilometers. Frontiers of India. India has both land and water frontiers. Land frontiers is about 15,200 kilometers. Except in some places, India has all natural frontiers on all sides. For example, northern mountains is called the Himalayan mountain ranges form natural frontiers between India and China. The water frontiers of India is 6,100 kilometers. The total length of coastal line including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,516.5 kilometers. Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean in the south, Bay of Bengal in the east are the water frontiers or natural frontiers of India. Now let us understand neighboring countries of India. These neighboring countries, let us know through map. Pakistan and Afghanistan are to the northwest. Nepal, China and Bhutan are to the north. Bangladesh, Myanmar are to the east. To the southeast is Sri Lanka, the mainland of India, which is separated from the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Now let us understand the administrative divisions of India. India is a prominent democratic republic in the world. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories, including Delhi, National Capital Territory. Which is National Capital Territory? Yes, Delhi is our National Capital Territory. Among these 28 states, Rajasthan is the largest state in India and Goa is the smallest state in India. Dear students, I hope that all of you understood very well. I will discuss Indian geography in the next class. Take down the today's homework. Explain the latitudinal and longitudinal position of India. Write the neighboring countries of India. Draw an outline map of India and mark given places. Number 1, 23 and half degree north latitude called the Tropic of Cancer. B, 82 and half degree east longitude, the central meridian of India. Southernmost point of India. D, Indira Code. Then last one is National Capital Territory. Thank you all.